Now, when we say the word dryness, what first comes into your mind? Is it about the weather or is it about your skin type? Dry skin is not unusual. In fact, most people have experienced this kind of problem at some point in time. But if you are going through it currently, then don't worry, because today you will discover how to get rid of dry skin forever by using 3 powerful herbal moisturizers that will nourish your skin from deep within. You'll never want to miss out on these herbal remedies. So watch the video till the end. Before we proceed, please subscribe for future updates. One of the reasons why you might be experiencing dry skin is due to the type of cleanser that you use. Most cleansers contain harsh chemicals that strip away all the natural oils from your skin, leaving it dry and irritated. But what if I tell you there is a 100% natural cleanser that can clean your skin without stripping it away from its natural moisture? Yes, I am talking about Indian hemp seed oil cleanser. In a recent study conducted, it was found that hemp seed oil is one of the best plant-based cleansers available, which cleanses your skin without disrupting the natural moisture barrier of your skin. What makes hemp seed oil a perfect cleanser? It is due to its unique composition of fatty acid. Hemp seed oil contains around 81% essential fatty acids, 10% of which is GLA, gamma-linolenic acid, which is one of the rarest fatty acids found in very few plants. The high concentration of GLA in hemp seed oil makes it an excellent moisturizer. It helps restore the skin's natural moisture balance and keeps the skin hydrated for long hours. Also, it has antioxidant properties due to the presence of vitamin E in it, which protects the skin from free radicals, preventing premature aging and maintaining youthful skin. And finally, hemp seed oil is non-comedogenic, meaning that it won't clog your pores. This makes it ideal for all skin types, especially for those with dry or sensitive skin. One of the ways to incorporate hemp seed oil cleanser into your skincare routine is by using it as a makeup remover. Hemp seed oil is an excellent makeup remover because it dissolves sebum, the main component of most makeup products. To do this, saturate a cotton ball with hemp seed oil and gently rub it over your face to remove makeup. After that, wash your face with lukewarm water and pat it dry. And that's it. Your skin is now clean and ready for the next skincare steps. Remember to follow it up with a good moisturizer and sunscreen. The second herb you need to add to your skincare routine is niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. Now, why should you add niacinamide to your daily skincare routine? Niacinamide is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy and moisturized skin. It acts as a precursor to important skin molecules like ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol, which are essential for maintaining the skin's natural moisture barrier. By applying niacinamide topically to the skin, you can help to reinforce the skin's protective barrier and reduce water loss, leading to improved hydration and softness. Not only does niacinamide help to moisturize the skin, but it also has other amazing benefits. It can help to reduce inflammation and redness, making it an effective ingredient for those with sensitive or irritated skin. Additionally, niacinamide is a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect the skin from environmental stressors and free radical damage. Studies have shown that using niacinamide can help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making the skin look smoother and more youthful. Another benefit of niacinamide is its ability to reduce hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. It can help to brighten the skin and improve its overall clarity and radiance. It is also effective in reducing the size of enlarged pores, making them less noticeable. And the best part about niacinamide is that it can be used by all skin types, including sensitive skin. However, it is important to note that niacinamide is a water-soluble vitamin, so it is best to apply it to damp skin to help it absorb better. When incorporating niacinamide into your skincare routine, it is recommended to start with a low concentration of 10 to 20%. And gradually increase to 50% or more based on your skin's tolerance and needs. You can use it once or twice daily, depending on your skin's condition. If you're looking for an effective and affordable moisturizer with niacinamide, I recommend checking out some online stores. Moving on to the third moisturizer, which is none other than hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a popular ingredient in the skincare industry due to its amazing moisturizing properties. But how does hyaluronic acid work as a moisturizer? Hyaluronic acid is a molecule that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. When applied to the skin, it forms a thin film on the surface which helps to seal in moisture and prevent water loss. This makes it an excellent choice for people with dry skin who are looking to improve their skin hydration levels. In addition to its moisturizing properties, hyaluronic acid also has anti-aging benefits. It can help to plump the skin and fill in fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a more youthful appearance. It is also important to note that hyaluronic acid is a humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture from the environment when applied to the skin. It can help to improve its texture and make it feel soft and supple. If you're looking to incorporate hyaluronic acid into your skincare routine, there are a variety of products available, including serums, moisturizers, and facial oils. Choose a product that works well with your skin type and concerns. Apply a small amount of the product to your face and neck and massage it in until it is fully absorbed. For best results, it is recommended to use hyaluronic acid after cleansing and toning the skin and before applying any other products or makeup. As we have come to the end of this video, let's take a moment to summarize everything we have learned. First, we discussed hemp seed oil cleanser, a 100% natural cleanser that cleanses the skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. We talked about how its high concentration of GLA and antioxidant properties can help restore the skin's moisture balance and protect it from free radicals. Second, we explored niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, and its benefits for moisturizing the skin and reducing inflammation and redness. We also discussed its antioxidant properties, its ability to reduce hyperpigmentation, and its effectiveness in improving the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And third, we delved into hyaluronic acid, a popular ingredient in the skincare industry that is known for its amazing moisturizing properties. We explained how it can help to seal in moisture and prevent water loss, making it an excellent choice for people with dry skin. We also talked about its anti-aging benefits and its ability to improve the skin's texture. If you want to moisturize your skin naturally, then try these 3 herbs that are mentioned in this video. You'll never regret it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.